Gorilla Joe,
Yeah.
where is the temple?
Let me see the map. It looks like the temple is near the airport.
Oh, it's near the airport.
Yeah.
All right, we better get going. Come on, boys and girls. We're going to the temple near the airport. Let's go. All right. Well, boys and girls, I can see an airplane. So the temple must be here somewhere.
Oh, look, Teacher Jamie, it's over there.
There it is. All right, I'm gonna go make a quick stop at the temple with my friend Gorilla Joe, and then I'll see you real soon.